Welcome friends, welcome to GK Pandit ji once again, and today in this session we are going to discuss about this Bakataka dynasty. This is very important. Some of the informations which we discuss here is only for examination purpose. So this is mind map, and this is a very good illustrations. This by this one page we can remember everything about Bakataka dynasty, which is only important for examinations. So let's start. The Bakataka Empire was royal Indian dynasty that originated from the Deccan and in mid 3rd century. That originated from Deccan in mid 3rd century. Okay, mid 3rd century. This is important point. Mid 3rd century. Okay, now come to the next point. This is the founder of Bakataka dynasty, Vinda Sakti. Vinda Sakti is the founder of Bakataka dynasty. Okay, Vinda Sakti is the founder of Bakataka dynasty, and we know some of the important things about the Vinda Sakti from this cave inscriptions, Ajanta cave inscriptions, 16 Ajanta cave inscriptions. See, this is we can know something about this dynasty or the Bakataka dynasty or the Binda Sakti about this inscriptions. Always remember this. Do you get it this point? So now after Binda Sakti, his son Pravarasena 1. This is Pravarasena 1, and here you can see his ruling period 272 330 AD. This is the ruling period of the Pravarasena, and here some point, and remember this point is Samrata. His other titles include Samrata. Okay, and this one he conducted, yani he conducted the Assameda Yagga, and this point is he conducted war with Nagas. Remember these 2 points is very important. With this Nagas and Assameta Yagya and Samrata. This remember this three things from the Pravarasena 1. Okay, Pravarasena 1, the son of Binda Sakti. Okay. Now understand and write down these points. This is very important, and this point is very important. Samrata and Assameda Yagya. Okay. Now come to this next things. Okay, now Pravarasana, son of and successor of Binda Sakti. This other title include Samrata, Dharma Maharaja, and Hari Mitraputra. His empire include a good portions of northern India and the Deccan. Conducted the Vedic rituals Assameda Yagya, which I have told you. Okay, and he conducted wars with Nagas. This point is very important. And according to Puranas, come to here. This summary, come to this summary. Okay, according to the Puranas, here we know that the Pravarasena 1 had four sons, as you can see here, four sons. Okay, and one of the Gautamiputra Rudrasena 1. Okay, see this mind map, you can clearly understand the summary of Pravarasena 1. Okay, Pravarasena 1. After the death of there were two divisions of Bakatakas. After the death of Pravarasena I, after the death of Pravarasena I, okay, there are two branches in Bakataka dynasty. Always remember this. After the death of Pravarasena I, there are two divisions in the Bakataka dynasty. If you want this mind map, please mail us or please contact with us. You can, we can definitely give you a link and you can definitely download. And if you want this, please leave a comment in comment box, and we will definitely provide a link and you can download. Click on this link, uh, by clicking on this link, sorry, this mind map. And this mind map is very helpful. In our upcoming videos we will also discuss about various kinds of mind map, and you can know very well about this, how can you remember anything with the help of mind map and memory tricks. Okay, so come to the next, come to the point. See here, uh, see this two part. After the death of Pravarasena I, there are two divisions of the Bakataka dynasty. So see one dynasty, one sorry, one part, this dynasty, one part is Pravarapura Nandivardhana branch and Vastagulma branch. Okay, and this branch is ruled over the Parabarapura. Okay, the Rudrasena 1, Prithvisena 1, Rudrasena 2, and uh, Prabhavati Gupta. Okay, this is the Gupta dynasty's famous lady of Gupta dynasty, from Gupta dynasty, Chandragupta second's daughter of Chandragupta second. Okay, I will discuss later on. Okay, this, remember this point, regent, as a regent, Prabhavati Gupta as a regent. Okay, so after the death of the Prabhara Sena I, there are two divisions of the Pakataka dynasty, and here I told you the one is Pravarapura Nandivardhana branch and Bastagulma branch. Okay, remember this 2 points. Okay, now always remember these 2 points, and thereafter this branch I am discussing here, this branch about the Pravarapura Nandivardhana branch. Okay, this branch ruled over the Pravarapura. This branch ruled over Pravarapura, and this presently Wardh, Maharashtra, and uh, Mansar Nandivardhan is the present in district, Nagpur district. Nandivardhana present, Nandivardhan present in district Nagpur, Nagpur district. Okay, just remember this points is very important. Please write down. Okay, now the Rudrasena I was the grandson of Pravarasena I, grandson of the Gautamiputra, and this Gautamiputra is not very important because the his lifetime is not very short. Okay, and here is a very important point about the Pinda Sakti, which I forget to tell you. There's a according to Puran says that the ruled for Vinda Sakti ruled for the 96 years, 96 years. According to Puran, Vinda Sakti is the founder of this dynasty. Okay, all are Brahmins. Bakatakas are Brahmins, which I told you uh, from this mind map. Okay, and I have told you this part also. And here we are discussing about this branch, and this branch is ruled over the Pravarapura. Okay, and Rudrasena. Rudrasena is a grandson of the Pravarasena. Okay, Pravarasena 1. There is a grandson of Pravarasena 1. Grandson of the Pravarasena 1. Okay, this is now clearly understand this mind map. Uh, he succeeded by his son Prithvisena I, who reigned from this Prithvisena I, who reigned from 355 to 380 AD. Okay, then Rudrasena, son of Prithvisena, and married Prabhavati Gupta, the daughter of, this is a very important, daughter of Chandragupta II. Rudrasena II is here very important, because we are from this relation to here Prabhavati Gupta. Prabhavati Gupta is a daughter of Chandragupta II. Okay, Chandragupta II is very important here. So always remember this, Chandragupta II. Now we have to know little bit about the Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II also known by his temple Vikramaditya. Here it is very important. Lots of questions asked from lots of examinations. Questions may be occurred from here. So remember this, Chandragupta II and Vikramaditya is same person. Okay, Vikramaditya. Now here it is important point, Chinese pilgrims Fa Hien who visit India during the Chandragupta II, yeah, Chandragupta II's reign. Okay, the ruling period. This is very important. Always remember this point here. Always remember this point. Okay, this is the point. Fa Hien, who visited India during his reign, Chandragupta II. Okay, now you can clearly understand this with the help of this mind map, and with this help of this mind map you clearly understand everything. See carefully and write down everything here, because it's basically helping you to remember the points, main points here. Okay, okay, see this is the map of Bakataka dynasty. Here you can see clearly this Bakataka dynasty's map. Here two branches after the death of the Pravarasena I, the two branches, Pravarapura Nandivardhana branch and Bastagulma branch. Okay, here we discuss about this Pravarapura Nandivardhana branch. Okay, now Rudrasena 1, Prithvisena 1 and Rudrasena second, and from here we get to this point. Prithvi Gupta and Rudrasena. Okay, Rudrasena second married to Prabhavati Gupta, the daughter of Chandragupta I. After the death of Rudrasena II, the administration was carried by the Prabhavati Gupta as a agent of her minor son. Okay, remember this point. Here you can see as a regent. And another very important point here I want to discuss. There's probably the Kalidas. Kalidas lived. Probably Kalidas lived for some time. For some time in the, please write down this, in the court of Pravarasena, in the court of Pravarasena second, and wrote and wrote and wrote Meghadutam and wrote Meghadutam. Very important, Meghadutam. The spelling is M-E. Okay, Meghadutam is very important, and Meghadutam is called, is a Kavya of Vidarbha, Kavya of Vidarbha. Okay, now this is very important. Pravarasena second. Here we found the Pravarasena second, about the Pravarasena second. Okay, it is said that the cave 16, cave 16 and the cave 17 and the Chaita cave, that is this cave of Ajanta, belong to the Bakataka age. This all cave is belong to the Bakataka age. Okay, this some points here I am discussing about this Bakataka dynasty. Remember these points, and always remember this. Pravarasena was the name of Damodar Sena, second son of Rudrasena. There is a second son of Rudrasena second. Okay, here you can see this is Damodar Sena. Okay, Damodar Sena. Pravarasena second is also known Pravarasena second. Pravarasena second has a reign period of 400 to 440. See this, 440 AD. 440 as a reigning period. Was named Damodara. Damodara. My mouse is disturbing here, so not working, so sorry for interruptions. And second son of Rudrasena. Here you can see the second son of Rudrasena is Damodar Sen. Second son of Rudrasena second. Second son of Rudrasena second is Pravarasena second. Okay, and this is a ruling period. and he also called Damodar Sena. He was named Damodar Sena. He named the king after the elder brother Dwarka Sena. He is died. Okay, founder of the city Pravarapura. Founder of the city Pravarapura. This is Pravarapura. Pravarapura. The founder of this city is Pravarasena II. Founder of this city is Pravarasena II. Okay, Pravarasena II. So let's remember this point. Pravarasena II, founder of this city. Erasing all of this stuff. Okay, see, this is your some important points, and here we know about some points about Bakataka dynasty. Okay, and we know that the very important point, one very important point, that Kalidasa lived for some times in the court of the Pravarasena II, and all we know the very famous poet Kalidasa is Pravarasena II. Here Pravarasena II, some point is very important. Pravarasena II, about Pravarasena II, Pravarasena II. Okay, and we read about Kalidasa. Kalidasa, okay, and Meghdutta written that time, in that period. Okay, Meghduttam, and Meghduttam is called the Kavya of Vidarbha. Vidarbha, Vidarbha, Kavya of Vidarbha. This some points is very important when you are reading Bakataka dynasty. And here is extra point which is about Chandragupta II, and Chandragupta II is also called Vikramaditya, and Fahian who visited India during the reign of this Chandragupta II or Vikramaditya. Okay, and his daughter, Chandragupta II's daughter, married Prithvi Prabhavati Gupta, Prabhavati Gupta is married to the Rudrasena II. Yeah, the son. After the death of the Rudrasena II, the administration was carried by Prabhavati Gupta. Okay, as a agent of here, regent of his son, his minor son. Okay, so here you remember this point and Damodar Sena, about the Damodar Sena, some points of Damodar Sena. Okay, remember this and write down this Damodar Sena, Pravara Sena. We know that's Damodar Sena and Pravara Sena. Pravara Sena second is same. Okay, was named Damodar Sena, second son of the Rudra Sena, second son of the Rudra Sena second. Okay, he became the king after the elder brother Dwarka Sena died. Okay, after the Dwarka Sena died, he became the king. Here you can see Dwarka Sena. It's not very important. This is important. Okay, founder of, here you can remember the founder of city Paravarapura. Okay, founder of this city, founder of the city. Remember this point also. Okay, now end of this session. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.